Exercise number 3.1. Find the radian measure corresponding to following degree measures. The first problem solutions. First one, 25 degree. This is equal to 25 into pi by 180 radian. Then you can simplify pi by 36 radian. Next one, second one, minus 47 degree 30 minute. This is equal to 30 minutes means 60 minute equal to 1 degree. So 30 minute is equal to half degree. So this is equal to minus 47.5 degree. This is converted to improper fractions. 95 minus 95 by 2 degree. Then multiply by pi by 180. This is minus 95 by 2 into pi by 180 radian. Then simplify, minus, cancel by 9, the 5, minus 19 pi by 72 radian. Similarly, third problem, 240 degree is equal to 240 into pi by 180 radian. This is equal to, simplify, 4 pi by 3 radian. And fourth one, 520 degree is equal to 520 into pi by 180 radian equal to 26 pi by 9 radian. Now find the degree corresponds to the following radian measures. Use pi value is equal to 22 by 7. First one, 11 by 16 radian. Convert to degree measures. Solution, 11 by 16 radian equal to 11 by 16 into 180 by pi degree. Here substitute the value pi is equal to 22 by 7. So pi by 16 into 180 divided by 22 by 7. This is equal to 11 by 16 into 180 degree. 180 into 7 by 22 degree. This is equal to, cancel 2 times, 315 divided by 8 degree. Then this is converted to degree measure, minute measures and seconds. First, this 315 divided by 8. 315 divided by 8. 3 times possible. 24, remainder 7. 75. Here 9 times. 72, remainder 3. So 3, no, it's not possible for any times of 8. So this 3 degree convert to minutes. 3 degrees equal to 3 into 60 minutes. That is 180 minutes. Now 180 minutes divided by 8. 8. 2 times. 16, remainder 2, 20, 2 times. Remainder 4. Then 4 minutes. This 4 minutes convert to seconds. 4 into 60 seconds. 240 seconds. Then 240 divided by 8. 3 times 24. That's 0, 0. So Now write the quotient values. Here 39 degree and 22 minutes 30 seconds. The conversion of the radian to the degree. Now the second problem, minus 4 radian is equal to minus 4 into 180 by pi degree. Then substitute the value of pi, that is 22 by 7. Then simplify. After then, divide the numerator by denominator. Is the same as the previous problem. So this is homework for you. Next, third problem, 5 pi by 3 radian. If the radian having the pi terms, we can easily find the answers. Radian is equal to pi by 3 into 180 by pi degree. Cancel pi. Store cancels. 60. So 300 degree. Next, fourth one, 7 pi by 6 radian. Same as the previous one. So this is also homework. Now the next question. Question number 4. Find the degree measure of the angle subtended at the center of a circle of radius 100 centimeter by an arc of length 22 centimeter. So the here given solutions. Find the degree measures. Here given r is equal to the radius 100 centimeter and the arc length L is equal to 22 centimeter. We know that theta is equal to L by r. This is equal to 22 by 100 equal to 11 by 50 radian. They asked to find the degree measure. So this is converted to degree measures. So 11 by 50 into 180 by pi degree. This is equal to, substitute the value, pi is equal to 22 by 7. So 11 by 50 into 180, 22 by 7, the reciprocal 7 by 22. Then cancel 2 times, here 9. So 63 by 5 degree. Now divide. First 63 divided by 5. 1 time 5, remainder 1. 13 2 times, remainder 1. So here 1 degree is equal to 60 minute. So again 60 divided by 5. 1 time 1, 10, 2. First step 63 divided by 5. Here 1 time 5, remainder 1. Now 13, 2 times 10, remainder 3. So 3 degree convert to minute. 3 into 60 minute. This is equal to 180 minutes. And 180 minutes divided by 5. Here 3 times 15, remainder 3, 30. And 6 times 30, 0. So this is equal to 12 degree 36 minutes. 12 degree 36 minutes. Next question, number 5. In a circle of diameter 40 centimeter, the length of the chord is 20 centimeter. Find the length of the minor arc of the chord. So consider a circle, center at O, radius. Radius is diameter is 40 centimeter, so radius is equal to 20 centimeter. To take in 2 radius, it's a chord. So A, B. This is also 20 centimeter. The length of the chord also 20 centimeter. They asked to find the, here 2 arc is there. This is the major arc. This is the minor arc. They are asking the length of the minor arc. So that arc length. So here let L is equal to arc length or length of minor arc, radius is equal to r. Now OA is equal to OB is equal to AB is equal to 20 centimeter. Therefore triangle ABC OAB is an equilateral triangle. We know that in an equilateral triangles each angle is 60 degree. Therefore each angles 60 degree. Hence angle AOB is equal to 60 degree. This is theta. Now r is equal to 20 centimeter. So we know that L is equal to r theta. Here r is equal to 20 into 60 degree. Now we length is the real number. So that convert to radian. But here we are getting degree measure. So this degree should be converted to radian. So 20 into 60 degree means pi by 3. Pi by 3. 60 degree is equal to pi by 180 into 60. This is equal to pi by 3. This is equal to 20 pi by 3 centimeter. So arc length of the that is the length of the minor of the circle for the given data. Next question number 6. If in two circles arcs of the same length subtended angles 60 degree and 75 degree at the center, find the ratio of their radius. Taking two circles, let R1 and R2 be the radii of two circles with same arc length L. So taking the circles, (75 degree), this is 60 degree. Here R1, R1, R2, R2. This arc length is equal, L, L. The circle 1, circle 2. In circle 1, here arc length L is equal to theta into, here theta 1 is equal to 60 degree, here theta 2 is equal to 75 degree, theta 1 into R1. This is equal to 60 degree into R1. Here L is equal to theta 2 into R2, 75 degree into R2. Now the degree convert to radian. So L is equal to 5 R1 into 60 into pi by 180. Here L is equal to R2 into 75 into pi by 180. Then simplify R1 into pi by 3 radian. Here L is equal to R2 into 5 pi by 12 radian. Both are equal. This is 1, this is 2. From 1 and 2, in equation number 1 and 2, left hand sides are same. So right hand side will be equal. So R1 5 by 3 equal to R2 5 pi by 12. 5 by cancel. So R1 by R2 This is equal to 3 into 5 by 12 is equal to 5 by 4, which implies R1 is to R2 is equal to 5 is to 4. Now the question number 7, find the angle in radian through which a pendulum swings if its length is 75 centimeter and the tip describes an arc of length is first one 10 centimeter, second one 15 centimeter, third one 21 centimeter. So it's a pendulum. It's the initial position of the pendulum, or this is the arc length of the initial position, final positions. This length is constant, so this R, this L will be given. First questions 10, second one 15. So the angle also change. They ask in the angle. So here R is equal to length of pendulum and L arc length of the, or describes the distance described by the pendulums, the initial and the position and the terminal positions, the pendulum. Theta, the angle between first and terminal positions of the pendulum. So first problem, we have the relations here, R is equal to L is equal to R theta, or asking to find the angle. So theta is equal to L by R. First problem, 10 centimeter. This is arc length L. So theta is equal to, here R is equal to 75 centimeter. Theta is equal to L by R. This is equal to 10 by 75. This is equal to 2 by 15 radian. And second 15 centimeter, third 21 centimeter. These two are homework. So for today's class, I complete the, I will upload the solutions in my Google Classroom. So you watch the videos and complete the classwork as per your convenient time. But you should complete the homework. I will assign the homework in my classroom. So you complete the homework and upload to my Google Classroom. Thank you.